This is Bart Kuykens, a world-renowned analog photographer. He shoots black and white film almost exclusively. He took us under his wing for one day while he was shooting in Chicago. This starts Checked It Out weekend for 2024. Last night was meet and greet with Bart, which I didn't get to attend, but this morning we got the most incredible opportunity to do something better. We'd be working alongside him one-on-one. So I drove up to the meeting point, and honestly, after a cup of coffee together, we jumped right into it. Bart has a pretty incredible portfolio. He shot with Porsche themselves, Jay Leno, Magnus Walker, Hans Metzger himself, and more. He's got a book collection he's made called The Flat Six Love Affair, and he travels the world doing really cool work, all shooting with Leica film cameras. Shooting with him shows how professional he is. He respects your time and moves incredibly efficiently. We spent less than 10 to 15 minutes at each location, and yet he's able to fill multiple rolls of film. He has a really unique eye, and it shows.
Do you want me to face that way? Or this way?
Maybe this way, because I have the back.
Okay.
Times already.
It's like the literal perfect POV. So cool. So cool. Shooting one-on-one with Bart. We should, right? Yeah.
I'm kind of glad he didn't want to use the graffiti, because this graffiti sucks.
There wasn't necessarily any location scouting. He had a general idea of what he wanted, but ultimately we would explore a little bit and find something. Just like this location.
You're good. Oh, that's cool.
Am I going too fast?
No, not at all.
We go to the lake now.
Okay, we keep up with you. Let's go.
Our team's biggest skill set is adaptability. You can see how fast things move and change. Our job is to capture the moment, but to do that, we have to have speed, comfortability in our skill set, and a little bit of luck.
That's ridiculous, dude. Was that the 120?
No.
That wasn't even 120, dude. Alright, so trying to use the gimbal on a moving pier. We're gonna see how that goes. Not gonna lie, it's not easy.
Photography is an art form. I've believed that for a long time. Art can be many things, and technically it can be anything. But it's also a skill that develops over time. The art, which is enjoyed by you viewing this, or myself, or anyone really, is experiencing and feeling something. That's art. We all have our different ways in which we do that. We all have our different styles. I've been a big believer in the fact that people should cite their inspirations or mentors. It's respect. Growing up in the breaking scene, which is a pillar of hip-hop, that respect is huge, and it's something that I carry over in life and into this art form. So Bart taught me how to visualize in black and white. We all learned a lot that day in such a small amount of time. He inspired me to shoot all of Checked It Out in black and white, and I even created my own special recipe for it. Supporting your friends, displaying their art, or sharing, that's important. These days, AI is getting pretty good, but I believe in art made by humans, and it needs that human connection.
Okay, we are back in the car. Literally one-on-one, just kind of learning his process and getting to sit and talk with him. You know, it's so cool. And Bart, like I said, thank you so much for having us there and allowing us to be there. It's just really cool, and I feel like a lot of his artwork kind of resonates with us in a lot of ways, because we were explaining that some people like to do full-on photo shoots, right? Light kits and have everything set up and do whatever, but that's not how either he or we roll, right? Because we actually just shoot pretty guerrilla, I guess is the best way to say that. Like, we just kind of go in, figure stuff out, and you know, go from there, you know? And that's pretty much what he does as well. I personally love when people walk into my shot or walk into my frame. Like, people go around and they avoid it, but it doesn't give it the life that I wanted to, you know what I mean? So it's a lot of really different artistry there, and how certain people perceive things and whatnot. But for me personally, and cool enough for him as well, we just kind of shoot and go with the flow. Like, that's all we do. Man, he's shooting on full analog, so film only, and it's just, man, it's just such a cool style. And to make a professional living globally, right? Literally around the world, to be shooting like that is so cool. Anyway, we are going to start getting ready for the pre-party, which I'm sure is going to be a whole nother video on its own, so stay tuned. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the video. I hope you guys enjoy this stuff. Hopefully that was cool. I really don't know what other footage I got from that, but subscribe to watch the next video of our multi-perk day on Checked It Out weekend. See you guys later. Bye. So this thing doesn't start till 5 or 6. So we're here, we're gonna do some work really quick before everyone shows up, because it's gonna get really busy really fast.